Okay, it's Monday, June 10th, just following up on Meta. You can see here after buying it at the lower blue line on this 15-minute chart that went up on bar one, pause, and then broke up to the upside. It's now moving nicely higher, giving us kind of that two-up day that now has a target to the weekly high of last week up here, closer to the 500 area. I scaled out along the way. I bought the stock 497.04. I sold some at 498. I sold some more, at 499 up here, so 2 points higher, and we're at 499.26 right now, moving nicely up. But again, this was good opening pattern here. I really like when I see this one developing, when the context is in play for higher prices that move up, the pause for like 4 bars building up energy, and then that breakout. So now we have the 2-up day in force. We'll see if kind of in 2 waves we can make it up to that, this high up here above 500. The next kind of targets are up in this area, but overall good price action this morning that had high probability to follow through a little bit higher. So we'll see what happens. Right now you never know for sure, but it's no risk as it kind of works towards that psychological 500 area. And we'll see on the weekly chart if we could at some point you do anticipate that weekly high being taken out after this green bar here. You can almost see that as being like a bunch of pauses in here that had a big green bar breakout to the upside as well. So on the weekly chart you had the pause that led to higher prices, and on the 15-minute chart you kind of had pause that led to higher prices on this time frame. So good trade on Meta. We'll see how much higher it wants to go this morning.